Personally speaking, I suppose I get a lot every year out of working with Music Network. I get a lot of gigs, a lot of support, a lot of international work as well through partnership with Culture Ireland, and I suppose things like APAP in New York. A lot of things that are really extremely useful to me in my life as a professional musician. So yeah, I certainly benefit hugely from Music Network every year.
My name is Aisha and I live in Lucan, and I've been playing the violin for 3 years.
My name is Mark and I'm from Dublin.
And how long have you been playing the violin?
3 years.
My experience in the last 6 years of programming with Music Network is that I would trust the quality of the performance that comes around. We've had some really top class performers, especially in jazz in our case. Zoe Rahman was stunning. It was a stunning concert. People are still talking about that as one of the highlights so far this year.